Blas Jr.
To our distinguished guest, Secretary Antonio Ernesto F. Lacadameo Jr., Special Assistant to the President, for the information of everybody, siya po ang talagang tumutulong po sa amin sa UPAPRO at siya po ang ating champion ng Bangsamoro. Para po natin. Ang aking partner, Chairman ng Mindanao Development Authority, at kanina sa aeroplano, marami kami pinag-uusapan na development para dito sa barn, Secretary Leo T. Magno. Ang aking bapa, ang ating father ng Bangsamoro, Chief Minister Ahod B. Balawag Ibrahim, Farm Chief Minister. Our dear friend, Governor Abdul Rauf A. Makakwa, the Provincial Governor of Maguindanao del Norte. Ang pangalan mo, sir, naka-age na. Talagang ikaw ang first. And then also would like to greet Mrs. Makakwa. Members of the ministry present, members of the parliament present here, our dear friend, Major General Antonio Naparete, Presidential, the commander of 6th Division, and also the previous chairman of the CCH, and also a friend of the Bangsamoro. Governor, Toto rin siya. Ang ating former governor ng one province of Maguindanao, Governor Toto Pamundagato, our friend and the family, ang ating elders na dito, Dato Ali, Dato Antao, ang ating Vice Governor Abdul Nasser and Abbas. I would like also to acknowledge Al-Hafid Kamaruddin Ginda Saidon, Presidential Assistant David D. Tiziano, our UPAPRO Presidential Assistant for the Bangsamoro Transformation. All our soldiers present here and commanders, provincial and local chief executive present, civil society organizations, all the mayors present here. We have also Mayor Matabalao present of City of Cotabato City, fellow public servants and peace advocates, all base commanders present here, are the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Unang-una ay nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking taus-puso